Hi. Hi. Wait, I need to do my intro. Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name's Carmen. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. So, I'm still struggling here. I'm struggling to get down because it's very steep, kind of. But I'm making my way downtown. Ew, ugh. Okay, I did it. Now I need to clean my hands. So, I found lots of seashells. Whoa. Seashells. And I've been finding clay. This isn't really clay, but it's close. Close to it. Oh. So, it's just like deep. Whoa. So, yeah. So we're gonna jump back in. Bad idea. We're gonna go back. Why? What?
We don't need to go all the way back down
Okay,
there.
I'll just walk over here. Oh, I found a cool rock. No! Ew.
Yep, that was on camera.
I want to see how fast these rapids can take me while walking. Don't try this at home. I'm experienced, I think.
She's not.
Oh, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but over here in the middle is kind of fast, but on the sides are very fast. So I'm going to try and go over here. Very spurred. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my God. I just fell. Okay, you guys probably might not see me. But I'm gonna go over here. Yeah, spider web! The spider webs! You don't like it? It's very glitchy! Whoa. Should I sit down? Right here. Right here?
If you want.
Guys, my butt's gonna be soaked. It's cold. Oh, I can do this. Don't try this at home either. When you're right next to a rapid, don't do this. Even though I'm gonna do it. What?
You're a dork.
It's cold! Ready? Count me down.
3, 2, 1.
It's kind of taking me wet. Ready? Count me down.
3, 2, 1.
Ew,
Go.
it's really cold. I'm canoeing. Wait, I'm swimming. I just ate lake water. It's very cold and people are coming. Ready? I just fell. Oh my gosh. And I landed on a rock. Oh gosh. I've got some milk.